How to view feed in chronological order on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look how we can view our feed of Twitter in chronological order. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in order to view your feed in chronological order on Twitter, you just need to follow some steps. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is just open your Twitter. After opening your Twitter, you can already see that Twitter automatically gives you your feed in a chronological order, so you just don't need to do anything. So you may just refresh your account if you want. Just refresh it, and then the feed, and then your feed will appear in chronological order. You can see the first posts are in minutes, while the second posts are in hours, which means it is in chronological order, so you just don't need to do anything. Same goes for your search bar as well. You may just tap on your search bar and just refresh your account and look for your feed. So just by this method, you can view your feed in chronological order on Twitter. So therefore, I hope this information was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.